Why isn't anyone talking about this sales and business hack? Most of us that work in sales or are starting a business, we find ourselves offering too much for nothing, and we literally devalue ourselves. Listen, I get it. You got into business because you want to help people. But if you're spending all of your time with prospects and people that are not already doing business with you, giving them free information, hey, here's an idea, how can we help this? And you literally are becoming a free consultant, becomes very difficult for them to actually do business with you. The people that are making 7 figures a year in sales know that there's a very fine line between being a professional, being a doctor that can diagnose that person's problem and explain to them what the solution is, and being a free consultant. If you're spending most of your time giving clients, customers, prospects free consulting, you probably need to take a step back, realize I can still be in a hurry to help people, but when it comes time to help, I'm going to talk about a solution, and then the buck stops there. They need to pay me in order to work with me or my company. Stop giving all your good stuff away for free. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.